Find the equation of the conic with center 0, 0, focus 4, 0, and eccentricity equal to 7 over 5. In order to find the equation of the conic, we have to figure out which conic we're dealing with. To do that, all we have to do is look at this number here, which is the eccentricity. Because it's bigger than 1, that tells us that we have a hyperbola. So whenever the eccentricity is bigger than 1, we have a hyperbola. Now let's go ahead and draw a quick picture and see if we can use our picture to figure out more information about this equation. So we're told that the focus is 4, 0, and the center is 0, 0. So here is the center at 0, 0, and then here is the focus at 4, 0. And now we know which way this hyperbola opens. The reason we know that is because we know that the center is here, and we know that the hyperbola always opens towards its foci. So it's going to look something like that. That's a really rough picture, but the important thing we get from this picture is that it opens left and right. And so whenever it opens left and right, we know that the x comes first in the equation. So it's x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared, and that's equal to 1. If it had opened up and down, the y would come first. All right, now we just need to find a and b. We've already got a variable. This distance here is always c. So the distance from the center to one of the foci in a hyperbola is always c. Then we'll use this. The eccentricity is 7/5, and that's given by a formula, c over a. Now we'll take our c and plug it in, so we get 7/5 equals 4 over a. Then we can cross multiply, so 7a is equal to, let's see, 5 times 4 is 20. And then to finish solving for a, we simply divide by 7. So dividing by 7 gives us, let me come over here and write it, a equals 20 over 7. So now we have a, that's a good thing. We just need to find b. So the last thing we'll do is use a formula that relates a, b, and c. So in a hyperbola, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. You'd say, how do you have this memorized? I just know that it's the opposite. There's a minus sign here, so you put a plus sign here. C squared is, well, let's see, c is 4, so this will be 16 equals, what's a squared? Well, let's see, we're squaring the 20, so that's 400. Wow. Squaring the 7, we get 49, and then plus b squared. Okay, we're going to subtract this number, 400 over 49, minus 400 over 49. So b squared is equal to 16 minus 400 over 49. And at this point, I am going to cheat because I haven't done this problem before. And I'm going to plug this in my calculator. Let's see, 16 minus 400 divided by 49. And that is 384 over 49. Okay, so now we have a, and in particular we have a squared, which is 400 over 49. And we also have b squared, which is 384 over 49. So now we can go ahead and plug these numbers in. I didn't know this problem would give us numbers that were just so big. So x squared over a squared. So we're dividing by 400 over 49 minus, and then y squared, and this is 384 over 49, and this is equal to 1. And I suppose we could rewrite this to eliminate the complex fraction. So when we divide by 400 over 49, we're really multiplying by the reciprocal. So this is 49x squared over 400 minus, and then 49y squared over 384, and that's equal to 1. And there is the equation of our hyperbola or hyperbola. So I hope that made sense.